Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today I'm going to be looking at what your choices are when it comes to botched facelift procedures in terms of compensation and recovery options. Facelifts are used to help reduce sagging, which often occurs over time. And if you've been the victim of a botched facelift procedure, it's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment from a private specialist in your local area. That may also include a corrective procedure, as well as dealing with any pain reduction. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest a more immediate solution in terms of dealing with your botched procedure. In some situations, dealing with a botched procedure can cost tens of thousands of pounds. If you decide to bring a claim with us, you could be entitled to all of this without having to pay a single penny. Now, as no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. Contact us to find out if you are eligible for free private treatment from a specialist in your local area by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. And if you've been the victim of a botched facelift procedure, it's generally safe to assume that any pain, suffering and injuries was down to the negligence of those who carried the procedure out. If this is the case, you could be entitled to compensation, the sum of which is wide-ranging depending on a multitude of factors. Not only could you be entitled to compensation, but you may also be able to have your procedure corrected at no additional cost to you. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist as experience in dealing with compensation claims for botched facelift procedures. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your botched procedure incident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. So, if you're suffering from injuries due to a botched facelift procedure and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery should you require any further treatment, and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way. They'll look at facelift without surgery, facelift procedure, facelift surgery before and after, lower facelift recovery, lower facelift cost, facelift surgery video, facelift before and after photos, and lower facelift before and after photos. Now, I'd like to know if you've ever received any plastic, cosmetic or corrective procedures and what your thoughts on your own experiences are. Or are you thinking about corrective procedures, or would you ever consider it? Let me know in the comments. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.